Do you still sound like a beginner when you take a solo? Keep watching and I'll show you the fundamental difference between pros and beginners, which makes pros sound like pros, and trust me, it's not technique. So, let's listen to a solo that sounds like a beginner and then a solo that sounds like a pro so that you can hear the difference. After that, I'll show you exactly what the pro is doing differently. All right, now, let's listen to the pro version. So, what's the difference? Well, beginners are scared of two things: silence and being boring. And that means that they play a bunch of different licks, one after another, without letting the music breathe. And that's difficult for an audience to listen to, and it doesn't sound very musical. Repetition is king. Pros, on the other hand, take their time, leave lots of space, and know that repetition is king. Think about how many times the hook is repeated in your favorite pop song. It's a lot. People don't get bored by repetition. Instead, it makes them realize that this is an important musical statement that they need to pay attention to. So, I want you to try this. Next time you stick a backing track on, make yourself play one lick over the 1 chord, repeat the same lick over the 4 chord, and then repeat it over the 5/4 chord in bars 9 and 10. Over the next 12 bars, you can play another lick, and so on and so on. As you progress and get more comfortable with this, you can introduce micro changes to the licks. But don't lose sight of the theme that you've established. Don't forget that if you want regular improvisation tips, you can get those as well as an easy to follow curriculum, support and accountability from our community of students and teachers over at Tomlin Harmonica School. Just click on the link in the description below to join for a 14-day free trial. All right, thank you so much for watching. Happy harping.